Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be learning how to enable Face ID on BitMart application. If you want faster and more secure access to your BitMart account, enabling Face ID is the way to go. It saves you from typing passwords every time and adds an extra layer of protection to your account. First of all, launch open BitMart app on your device, on your iPhone, and log in with your email or your phone number and password. Once you're inside the home page after logging in, tap on the menu button at the top left corner. Once you're in the expanded menu that appears on the screen, tap on your email address at the top. On the next page, click on Face ID option at the bottom. Toggle on the button right next to it and tap Allow. Your Face ID will be scanned. Once you are done enabling Face ID, your Face ID will be linked to your BitMart account. Next time you log in, you can simply use Face ID instead of typing your password. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Face ID on your BitMart app. Now you can enjoy quick, secure, and password-free access to your account. It's a small step that makes trading smoother and safer. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episodes. Thank you for watching.